Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl CianahMonaa back at it with another video. So in today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a turmeric mask for 1 week to see if my skin gets any better. So as you guys know, I start school next Monday. Today's Monday right now, and I start school next Monday, and I gotta get my face right, like, cause this is not, it's not cute at all, like. Ugh. So yeah, we're about to see if this turmeric mask works. I never did this before. Like, I don't normally like wear masks because my skin is like hella sensitive. Like literally one little touch from my finger, I'll have a breakout, like not even playing. So hopefully this works and it's not like too strong for my skin, but hopefully it just clears me up. It just gets me right before the first day of school. So I'm about to wash my eyebrows off and take my lashes off, and then we're gonna get right into this video. So I'm about to use my Dove to wash my eyebrows off, and I don't know if you can wash your face before you put this mask on, but we're about to see. Alright y'all, so I washed my face. As you guys can see, I have bumps literally all on my forehead, on my cheeks. My cheeks are like the worst, like where I get them the worst. This smells really strong. I'm scared to put this on my face, but anyways, I got a bowl right here. Got my bowl, and I got a makeup brush. So I'm only gonna put water in this. I'm not gonna do like honey and all that extra stuff you'll be doing. I'm not doing that. So I'm just gonna do turmeric and water, and we're gonna see how this goes. I'm about to put it on my face. I'm so scared because it smells so strong. Like, and can I even put this on my eyebrow hairs? Like, cause I'm trying to get as close to the bump as possible, but I don't know if I can. I'm gonna still do it.
You don't need it to water. I don't know. I hate cold stuff on my face, though. That's why I don't do masks, like, in the first place. I hate having to wait for it to dry.
Alright y'all, so I got the mask on. I try to get as close to my eyebrows as possible, but as you guys can see, I still have bumps like that's exposed. But I was scared to put on my eyebrow hairs because I don't want my eyebrow hairs to fall out. Like, I barely have them as it is, so yeah. But anyways, I put it all over my face. Yeah, I made a huge mess, and this stuff stains. Like, my sink is already yellow. This on for 30 minutes, and I'm gonna come back, wash it off, and yeah, I'm gonna do this for the next 6 days, and we're gonna see if my skin gets any better. First of all, I just want to show y'all how ugly my brush looks now. I'm glad I didn't use like one of my main brushes because I would have been mad. So it's been like 10 minutes and my face is already dry, but I'm still wait to 30. It's actually look cute in this, like I really do. I need to do masks more often, honey. Hey y'all, so today is Tuesday and I've literally been in bed all day, so if I look like that's why. I'm about to do my mask. It's like almost 8 o'clock right now, so yeah, I'm about to do my mask and I'm about to get in the shower. I just took the rest of my turmeric that I had in my refrigerator. Anyways, I'm about to make some more, so I got my turmeric right here. I'm about to just put some more in here, and I put my hair up too. My camera is like so slanted. Okay, so I just put my hair up and I'm about to put this mask on. So yeah. Okay, so I just finished putting the mask on. It is so freaking cold. But anyway, so yeah, I'm about to jump in the shower, and my 30 minutes probably gonna be up by the time I got the shower because I like to take a long shower. So yeah, and I'll be right back so you guys can see the result after day 2. Alright, y'all, so I took my shower and it's been like 32-ish minutes, so I'm about to wash this off and we're gonna see how it looks. So I'm done washing the mask off. My face is actually really smooth. I don't know if that's the turmeric or like the Dove soap that I use to wash it off, but yeah, I really don't see that much of a difference. The only thing is this pimple is looking like it's about to bust, and it didn't look like that before I put the mask on, so yeah. Think this mask is making my face worse. Like, first of all, I have a new pimple right here. Like, I don't know if all this was there before. I have another bump that came out of nowhere on my nose. Like, my face still looks the exact same. I'm just confused, confuddled, but we're still going to continue this for the whole week, and hopefully something shakes, because right now I'm feeling like it's too strong for my face.